Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite a TripMate to your planned trip on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner. Click on trip plans in the middle of the screen and select your trip plan. After that, tap on the X button at the top next to the share button. Click on invite TripMate. After that, tap on the can edit or view only buttons to select what your invitee can do with your trip plan. And after that, you should type in their email address into the box in the middle of the screen. So type in their email address and click enter and they will be invited. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.